Welcome my friends, today I will share with you the authentic Greek recipe for Keftedes. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of Greek oregano, 25 grams of fresh parsley, 25 grams of fresh mint, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 25 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 large onion, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, 550 grams of ground beef, and about 1 cup of flour to coat your meatballs before frying, as well as 2 cups of vegetable oil for frying. Today I'm going to make my own breadcrumbs by crushing 2 rye rusks, since that's what I have on hand. This way I won't have to go out and buy pre-made breadcrumbs. As I mentioned in this community, I prepare budget-friendly recipes so that everyone can make them. So since this is what I have on hand, I'm going to use it and do my best with what I've got. There's really no reason to spend money, because I can crush my own breadcrumbs. If you don't have rye rusks or pre-made breadcrumbs, just take a slice of bread, run it under water, and break it into small crumbs. That works perfectly too. Great, my friends. Now, in a food processor, add your herbs, the mint and parsley, your garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the breadcrumbs, the vinegar, and 1 medium to large onion. The vinegar and the breadcrumbs will make your mixture more tender. You'll see, these authentic Greek meatballs will fill your whole kitchen with wonderful aromas. They are truly divine. Awesome! Now add 2 tablespoons of Greek oregano. In my recipes, I often use this oregano. Its aroma is simply incredible. If you don't have a food processor, don't worry, you can combine and mix everything by hand. Just make sure to chop your herbs very finely and grate the onion. Awesome! It's ready. Just look at that color. It's so vibrant and inviting. Oh my goodness, the aroma is amazing. The whole kitchen smells like freshness. Okay, now put your ground beef into a large bowl. Hop, hop, and hop. Okay. Crack your egg. A little reminder, my friends, always make sure to use very fresh meat. Awesome, it's now time to salt and pepper your meat. Go ahead, generously. Perfect. Now add the entire mixture of herbs along with the 2 tablespoons of Greek oregano. I'll try to take the time to put the link for this one in my bio. I promise you, it's really the best I've ever found. Its aroma is so strong and flavorful, it perfectly seasons all my recipes. Ever since I discovered it, I don't want to use anything else. Great, we're already making good progress in our recipe. Alright, let's go. Dip your hands in and mix everything with your hands. Don't be afraid. You can wear gloves if you want. For my part, today, I'm going in with bare hands. Make sure all your ingredients are very well mixed. We want all the flavors to be perfectly combined. I told you, my friends, you'll see, these meatballs are divine. Come on, don't be afraid, mix it all up. Put some love into it. My dear friends, this recipe will give you about 40 meatballs. Enough to feed the whole family or to prepare a meal for the next day. And there you have it. Our marinated meat is ready. Cover it with a film and place it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. This is optional, but listen to me, the longer you let it marinate in the flavors we've prepared, the more delicious it will be. You can still cook them right away, or even prepare them the day before, it's up to you. Perfect. While the flavors of the meat are coming together, let's peel our potatoes. Today, I'll be serving my delicious Greek meatballs with homemade fries. For my part, I like to slice them really thin. I find they turn out perfectly crispy that way. Great, our meat is ready. Serving Greek Keftedes with a side of homemade fries and some Greek salad is a Greek tradition. I'll make another video to give you the authentic Greek salad recipe. It's time. Put some flour in a small bowl and start forming small meatballs with your mixture, small meatballs about 1.5 inches wide. Just look at this one, about this size. Great, keep on going. Hop, in the flour. But don't worry, bigger or smaller, it doesn't really matter. Come on, prepare them and throw them in the flour. Amazing. Look, I've almost finished forming mine. I only have a few left to prepare. Hop. Hop. Aren't my meatballs pretty? I'm sure yours are too. Great, let's start by frying our fries first. This way, our oil will stay clean and free of residue, and we can then use the same oil to cook our meatballs. There's no reason to waste or use twice the amount of oil since we can reuse it. It's time, our oil is nice and hot. We can add our fries. Make sure it's really hot before putting them in, otherwise they'll turn out too oily. For my part, I like to use sunflower oil for frying. Sometimes I mix sunflower oil with olive oil, but since the price of olive oil is lately very expensive, I've been using sunflower oil. I find that it makes the fries crispier than with other types of vegetable oil. Anyway, these are just tips I'm giving you, but use whatever you have on hand. It's not the end of the world. Great, our fries are nice and crispy. Take them out and place them on a plate. Put a paper towel on the plate first to absorb the excess oil before adding the fries. Once that's done, start placing your meatballs into the oil, the same oil. Don't forget, always be very careful with hot oil. It's very dangerous. Never leave the stove, always stay nearby to watch the oil. Great, keep adding them. If they don't all fit at once, cook them in 2 batches. Fry them until nicely golden, about 7 minutes on each side. Wait until one side is well seared before turning them over to the other side. Good job, you're doing this like a pro. Great, my friends, they're ready. Remove them using a slotted spoon and place them on a paper towel on a plate. Look at that. Oh my goodness, the aroma is amazing. Sprinkle them with a little Greek oregano and fresh lemon. We Greeks love oregano and lemon. We put them in almost all our recipes. I can't wait for them to cool a bit so I can eat some. It smells so good. Dear friends, I'd like to take this moment to welcome you to this community. A community where our love and our passion for cooking bring us together. Also know that your comments are always welcome. It always makes me happy to know if you enjoyed the recipe. There you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious, simple, easy to make, and always budget-friendly homemade recipes. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon, and until then, take care.